So the problem says a manager wants to separate his 25 employees into two teams. One team has 7 fewer members than 3 times the other team. Find the number of employees on each team. So there's 2 teams, 2 unknowns. Let's just call it T1 and T2, T1 and T2. We don't know the value to those two numbers, but we do know that the 2 teams together make 25 employees. So let's write that first expression. We're going to take care of a couple of things at one time. We're going to name the teams T1, T2, and we're also going to indicate the sum of the 2 is 25. And 1 second, there we go. I have my pencil now. So then I have team 1 plus team 2 equals 25. Sorry for that. There's no curl there, just getting used to this pen. All right, so there's 2 teams, and together they make 25 employees. That's one equation. Let's go on to the next step. One team has 7 fewer members. So let me back up here for a second. When you see the word has or is, I want you to think of an equal sign. So one team, let's choose team 1. As long as the other team is team 2, I'm just going to call this team 1 to begin with. So team 1, I'm saying one team, I'll just choose team 1, has equals 7 fewer members than 3 times the other team. 7 fewer members, let's highlight that. 7 fewer members means minus 7, just minus from something. We'll find out what the rest of it is. Just read the rest of the sentence. What does it say? 7 members fewer than 3 times the other team. 3 times the other team. 3 times the other team being T2. Team 2. One team, T1, has equals 7 fewer members, minus 7, than 3 times the other team. 3 times the other team. So now we have 2 expressions, 2 equations. With these 2 equations, we're able, so I'll call that equation 1, equation 2. We're able to solve this problem. We have 2 unknowns, we need 2 equations. And the best thing to do, so now this after the setup, the setup is the most important thing in this problem. We've set it up already. We know there's 25 employees. We know this relationship here because of the statement here. Let's combine the 2. Let's substitute for T1. I want you to take this expression right here, this side of the equation, substitute this into this T1. So let's do that and write it out below. So we'll say T1 plus T2 is 25. Looking at equation 1 modified, it's going to be 3T2 minus 7 plus T2 equals 25. So I just plug this into T1 plus T2 is 25. Now I can combine like terms, 3T2 and 1T2, that's 4T2. If I combine the T2s, minus 7 equals 25. And I'll go to the next board. Actually, I'll write smaller on this side. Just get it over here. So then I have the 4T2 minus 7 equals 25. Let's move the 7 over. Apologize for that. Still getting used to the pen and the app. 7. I add So that's 4t2 equals 32. And then I divide by 4 on both sides to solve for t2. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that leaves t2 by itself. So t2 equals 8. And we know t1 plus t2 from this expression is 25. So all we need to do is substitute the t2 equals 8 into equation 1. t1 plus t2, 8, is 25. That means, sorry about that, 25. 25. So then t1 equals 25 minus 8, which is 17. So t1 equals 17, t2 equals 8.